So Work Package 6 is about education and skills. So developing a new framework for cybersecurity in Europe in terms of building capabilities for academics, professional, and the society at large. The objective of the Work Package is to actually provide a new framework that so far has been scattered all over Europe, providing different aggregation of what has been so far dispersed. In this way, to have the possibility of better coordination between European partners and also a stronger community with the relative skills that are important for the workforce and for the society at large. So one of the big challenges, of course, is Europe is very diverse, it's very large. So it's very difficult to actually cover the entire of Europe, and the consortium is trying to have a broad coverage of the activities of the entire European Union. The second difficulty I find is the difference in what the various stakeholders consider important. So some people consider more important academic education, other people consider more important professional education, and there is even a difference in what each of the various stakeholders consider important, even within the same area like education or others. In the framework of the project, I hope that with a continuous feedback from the various parties and the analysis that we're doing, and the input from both the parties and the wide reach of the project, and also with the cooperation with the other pilots, the other projects that work on this topic, we'll be able to sort of have a coherent picture that then can be used then by the decision maker. And I hope that at the end, we'll achieve this idea to provide a coherent picture, eventually. In the first year of the project, we started looking at online courses, how they could be branded for cybersecurity, so which will be in a way to actually characterize their quality and assess their quality. And the second activity that we started was also mapping the education in Europe, so how the different security education is performed by the different universities. And in this, we have been able to collect a great number of responses from several people, so directly asking them how the university works in this area. And I think this is a good measure of success, the number of people that responded. So basically, we have very good cover from some countries. We're still missing something from other countries, and we hope to reach them eventually in the future. So the next challenge ahead will focus on professional education. So doing the same mapping study, but now focusing on professional skills and certification as opposed to academic education, which has been the focus of the first year. A second challenge that we're looking forward is organizing two major flagship events, a cyber range, which is basically an exercise, let's call it like this, in which we simulate what happened in the case of a major cyber incident in a various domain that are typically from the project, like energy or finance, so in which we ask the people to sort of simulate what will happen if their company or their country is actually attacked in the cyber domain. And we hope to have to organize two major events in this domain as an example of what could be the potentiality of the project and the potentiality for Europe to, if Europe achieve a sufficient capability in this domain.